Today introduce this honey spoon filling machine. System operation. When you receive the machine, after open the case, it was a whole complete machine, not need to assemble other device. It uses the power is 220 voltage and 50 Hz. And need to connect with the air compressor. It need a air source. Let me introduce the first step. 1. We need to connect the power. Turn on this power switch. Then we'll see a touch screen on the machine. And has a conveyor belt here. It working. Then the next 2. Connect the air source. Use 10 mm tube to connect with air compressor. Because this machine, each working station need air pressure to control. Then can see. Here has a device for connect the air tube. Make the air tube connect to here. Then connect the air. The pressure need stabilize at 0.6 to 0.8. That will have enough air to supply the machine running. You will see. When you connect the air compressor, the air pressure haven't reached to 0.6 to 0.8. That will affect the seal. The part of power connect and air connect has finished. Then we start the second step, that is the packing material like is honey spoon. And this. The lids are put onto the mold. Normally we not suggest put too much. About put 80 spoons into this mold is okay. And the second step, this part need to put on the lids. The lids need to put at here. And the direction of the lids need to be care. Okay, wait that the first step and the second step has finished. We go to the touch screen. Then we could see. We will see here have an automatic button,
a start button and a stop button.
Like these details. And each working station. Then we switch to here. It will is automatic running mode, but we just start to use the machine. We not suggest you use the automatic mode. We suggest use the manual mode to adjust the machine first.